Morning.
Morning.
It's Grand National Day.
It is. I can't believe it's Grand National already. It's crazy. Where's this year going?
I know. There are a couple of videos we film each year. It's Grand National, Eurovision, and Caldecott Castle Food Festival. So we've
all
started.
coming up very soon.
But we thought we'd make this year a bit of a challenge. So loser makes tea.
Okay, what's going to be difficult?
Or dinner.
How are we going to do that? Because we've got multiple horses. If you couple of horses you'll come for, a couple of horses I come for, we both won.
I guess monetary value.
Okay.
So we'll start off with the same budget.
Yeah, so you put the same amount on, and whoever comes up.
Yeah, because then you can do it however you want, can't you?
Yeah.
Like, because you can do to win, or you can do each way.
Yeah.
So you can put it on however you want, because we're starting with the same amount.
Yes.
And then if you win, you don't make tea, and if you lose,
okay. Why
it's
not?
a pretty easy tea tonight.
It is, yeah. So. That's really cool. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
Okay.
I love Grand National. It reminds me when I was a kid. All the time when my nan and granddad's and we sat with a paper, actual paper, on the floor picking the horses.
That is what we normally do, but John picked up the paper yesterday and it wasn't in.
Yeah.
So we're going to do it a little bit differently.
In 2026, actually online.
We also normally pick our horses very differently. So I like to go off the colour the jockey's wearing, or if they've got a silly name. And John normally is a bit more strategic.
I normally do a bit more research than mine, yes. So I can't pick a horse without a coffee, so I'm going to go for my new Starbucks blend coffee at my Nespresso. We're going to bring it up online, all the horses. I think it's only 34 horses running this year, rather than 40. I think some pulled out last night. I always try to do it as early as possible in the day. Sometimes I like to do it the night before, but I think it's always dodgy because the horses pull out. So I'm going to get on as soon as we can and pick the horses. 1 moment, please.
I'll tell you mine. So in no particular order. Well, actually, they are in order of which one is most likely to win and not. So Gorgeous Tom.
Nice.
Is 20-1.
I did that one. That was
I
good.
just thought it was a fun name.
Yeah.
Final Orders I picked because the outfit is like a fireman's outfit.
I looked at that one as well. Yeah.
That one is 22-1. Favori de Champo is in pink, I think. Like a pinky purple colour. So I picked that one. That one is 40-1. This is all down here from the hill from here, guys. Twig, what a fun name, 40-1. Am I right? 100-1. They're not going to win, but I feel good supporting them. And I picked Mr. Van Gogh for Louis because the jockey's called Jack and he's a Jack Russell. Thank you very much.
Nice. Okay. So
over to you, John.
I've got, hold on 2 seconds. So... Okay, so I've got I Am Maximus. He was last year's runner-up, I think. He's 9-1. Genko West, 9-1. Johnny Who, 11-1. Multi-Star, 12-1. Jaguar is 9-1. And I've picked Panic Attack. What I didn't know at the time was a favourite for Louis, because if you watched our previous vlogs, you know
he's a shaking bacon.
We panicked about him really last week, and he was shaking, so we took him to the vets. So I thought fitted, and he's a favourite at 7-1. There's my 6 horses.
Oh. We get to see all of the horses and what they look like now. I think John's probably missed most of his because he's got the favourites, but... Well, that's a pretty one. Okay, it's what time is it? Just gone 3? Half 3?
Half an hour ago.
So we'll just settle in, learn a bit about the horses.
Yep, absolutely.
And then loser makes dinner. One mare, which is obviously a female horse, which is cool. Panic Attack. I want it to win because it's a girl, but I don't want it to win because John picked it. So we've hardly seen my horses, so I don't think they're thinking they're up to much, but we'll see. Yeah. This one here is mine, and he's currently winning, and it's the 100 to 1 one, and I feel like they're just teasing me. Yeah. Oh no! Ugh. Well, good try, am I right?
He was second now. Look how close that was.
Well, there were a lot of unjockeyed horses in that race, so I should have bet on them. I think they'd have won. I don't think mine is even.
Knew it.
What?
I knew it. Because Denko got unseated. Oh, because he was.
But mine was doing so well. He shouted and woke Louis up. Louis will hold that against you now all day.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna have some crumpets.
Yeah, that'd be a good shout.
Do you want some crumpets?
We'll have something, yeah.
You don't like crumpets?
I don't mind them, we'll have something else.
Okay.
Just watching the highlights from the Masters from day 2. It's really early there, maybe, so day 3 hasn't started yet, so just watching the highlights. Moy's doing amazingly well. I think he shot the lowest round, like 32.
Justin Rose, well, we know his story at Augusta.
You don't need to go for you.
He's done everything right.
Look at that.
At the end of it all. 3 times runner-up, including last year in a playoff to Rory McIlroy. So far, he's looked really strong at 45 minutes.
I was gonna edit, but the Mac's due an update, so I'm not gonna edit.
We can do an update and then come back to it.
Yeah.
But it's just supposed to by itself.
I've got it set to automatic updates, but
It doesn't seem like it's doing it.
it's not doing it automatically. So I don't know. It also is taking a while to find the update.
Yeah.
So I don't really know what's up with it, but we'll do the update.
We might need to invest in another Mac, maybe.
John says this weekly.
Because I think we do.
No.
Maybe that might be a new Mac time.
I don't think so. I think we'll be alright.
We'll see.
We'll get this update done, hopefully. Yeah. And then it does sometimes slow right down before it's due an update. Yeah. I think so they can force you to do the update.
But it's supposed to do it by itself.
Update now. I think we're due 2.
Okay.
So that's great.
Makes sense.
Okay, I've just been editing life of a... I was going to say life of a YouTuber, but that made me feel icky. So...
I took Louis out for a walk.
Yeah, Louis just been out.
It's so cold out there.
It looks so nice, but it's absolutely freezing.
It shouldn't be this cold this time of year.
No.
I don't like it. But that's good. That one's done. All just uploading now. So we've got another one. Hopefully we can do another one tonight. Make our life easy tomorrow.
It would make tomorrow easier.
But yeah, we lost a bit of time when we had to do update on the computer.
It is what it is, though.
Yeah. So if we can, it'd be good. If not, then it's busy.
Then Emma's editing in the week.
Yeah. We'll see.
Yeah, and we're going to watch... The fight is on at 10. I thought it was on at 7, but I think...
Yeah, they got a few fights before Tyson was on. So, yeah, we've got a bit more time than before.
Yeah. I don't know if I've watched boxing before.
Really?
I watched the Jake Paul and... What was he called?
KSI.
No. The most recent Jake Paul one. And Jake Paul was wrestling him and the other guy was a boxer. I can't remember. But I watched that afterwards. I didn't watch it at the time. So I don't think I've ever watched, like, boxing in real life.
Well, tonight you are.
We've just sat down to watch the fight. I'm trying to wear in my Timberlands. Ooh.
You've had them for so long.
Yeah. And I just never wear them, so... I'm trying to wear them in. So
we're talking years.
Yeah. But I don't like to wear shoes when they're ouchy, and they're ouchy. I don't know who anyone is.
Well, it's not. You're not going to be the first couple of bites. Not going to be Tyson Fury.
Oh. It doesn't look like there's anyone there.
The middle bit's quite empty, isn't it? Yeah.
That's who fought. Well, it was AJ, but it was who fought. Oh my God, what is he called? Jake Paul.
Yeah.
Jake Paul.
Yeah. I was just playing he's here actually. It's good to see he's here because obviously his mate got killed in a car accident, didn't he? His friend or brother also got killed in a car accident, so it's good to see he's here.
Oh, look at his sparkly shorts.
We watched a completely different. Yeah, this is not a main event yet. So we've got a while to wait for the main event.
Fun fact, Ricky Hatton, who is on the back of the Fury guy's trousers, his boxing gym is in the town that I grew up in.
Yeah, Manchester.
Yeah.
Yeah, his mates, weren't they? He said in interviews before that it's obviously, I mean, it shocked everyone.
Yeah.
He got a lucky punch in there, he got a trainer.
He keeps having to pull his little shots up.
I mean, it's got to be annoying to
Yeah. We were just saying because he keeps lifting him, doesn't he?
A weekend of sport. Love it. Love it. That first time watching boxing. Do you like it?
It was okay. I don't think I'd super want to watch it again. Unless it was people that I knew.
Yeah, I mean, he used to have a lot of fun walk-on music. There's walk-on music. You can do it today.
I used to like the Gladiators.
Of course he does. Come on, he's got to.
Oh, I thought he was going to say yes.
I think he does.
I mean, he doesn't look one little bit scared.
He's more toned.
Yeah. I'm the boss. No, I'm the boss. No, I'm the boss.
What's the first going to be though?
What is going on?
That's going to be a big money.
So are they friends really then? I assume so.
I mean, it's all show, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're probably all friends. Yeah, they're all for show.
Okay, right. On that note, I probably would watch that fight.
100% watching their fight, yes.
Yeah, but I think if I don't know who they are, I don't know if I'm that interested. But yeah.
Eddie Hall would be a good fight.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this weekend vlog. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you guys watching, guys. Take care. Bye.